Welcome to Hackathon 2020 Phase 2nd. My name is Mayur. I am representing my group Fast 20. We have come up with a solution for a problem that in the state of Uttarakhand, mainly landslide occurs due to heavy rainfall. So we have designed for the worst condition of all the cases in the landsliding areas. We have designed a foldable type of truss which will be easily transported to the site. So the further procedure will be explained in the animated clip.
As we can see that a truck with the member is reaching to the site and members are being unloaded. As the member are connected with pin joint, it can be unfolded easily. And to lock the folding motion, we are fixing a diagonal member with nut bolts. Assembling all the panels in a row similar to the first one, simultaneously constructing a concrete base at both ends of the road and fixing roller support on it in order to roll the panels, establishing some temporary support. To connect the left and right row of panels, we are connecting it with horizontal members over which the road surface will be placed. And also, one diagonal member is connected between two panels. A gusset plate of 10 to 12 mm is used to connect and transfer the load evenly to the connected member. After all such connections, we are able to move truss to the next end of the road. But before moving the truss, we need to balance the structure and add the next layer of our actual length of bridge. So we are placing a double layer of panels to the existing row of truss with a larger gusset plate. Now we can see some parallel T members are placed between the truss parallel to the length of the bridge to resist the bending of truss with lug angles which is L-shaped. To move the truss up to original double layer length, we need to provide some extra rollers replacing temporary support. Now, after achieving the original length of double layered truss assembly, we are moving the truss gradually to the next end of the road with the help of hydraulics. Detaching the extra truss of single layer and unfolding the FRP sheet and placing over the bridge and fixing with nut bolts. Now leveling the bridge with the road surface and allowing the traffic to flow.
We are using fiber reinforcement plastic composite section. As FRP is 70% lighter than steel, it becomes easy to handle and it is water and fire resistance and have high strength and stiffer than steel. So our conclusion is that using foldable panels of trusses, we can develop our bridge within 20 to 24 hours of time with less machineries and economically. Thank you.